HVAC pipe insulation. HVAC pipe insulation is a crucial component of any HVAC system, as it helps to maintain the temperature of the water or refrigerant flowing through the pipes. This can save energy, reduce condensation, and extend the life of the HVAC system. Types of HVAC pipe insulation. There are several different types of HVAC pipe insulation available, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Some of the most common types include fiberglass insulation. This is a popular type of insulation because it is inexpensive, easy to install, and effective at reducing heat loss. However, it can be flammable and should not be used in areas with high moisture content. Image of fiberglass insulation for HVAC pipes. Foam insulation. This type of insulation is made from polyurethane or polyethylene and is available in both closed-cell and open-cell varieties. Closed-cell foam is more resistant to moisture and air infiltration, while open-cell foam is more flexible and easier to install. Image of foam insulation for HVAC pipes. Reflective insulation. This type of insulation uses a reflective barrier to prevent heat transfer. It is particularly effective at reducing heat loss from pipes in cold climates. Image of reflective insulation for HVAC pipes. Benefits of HVAC pipe insulation. There are several benefits to using HVAC pipe insulation, including reduced energy consumption. Insulation helps to prevent heat loss from pipes, which can save you money on your energy bills. Reduced condensation. Condensation can form on cold pipes, which can lead to water damage and rust. Insulation helps to prevent condensation by keeping the pipes warmer. Extended HVAC system life. Insulation can help to extend the life of your HVAC system by protecting it from heat damage and corrosion. Installing HVAC pipe insulation. Installing HVAC pipe insulation is a relatively simple process that can be done by most homeowners. Here are the basic steps. 1. Measure the pipes. Measure the length and diameter of the pipes you need to insulate. 2. Cut the insulation. Cut the insulation to the appropriate length and diameter. 3. Slide the insulation onto the pipe. Slide the insulation onto the pipe, ensuring that it fits snugly. 4. Secure the insulation. Secure the insulation in place with tape or adhesive. Tips for installing HVAC pipe insulation. Here are a few tips for installing HVAC pipe insulation. Be sure to use the correct type of insulation for your application. Make sure the insulation fits snugly around the pipe. Conclusion. HVAC pipe insulation is an important part of any HVAC system. It can help to save you money on your energy bills, reduce condensation, and extend the life of your HVAC system. If you are looking for a way to improve the efficiency and longevity of your HVAC system, consider investing in some pipe insulation. Please check description for much more.